Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for the finale of this year's 12 Days of Christmas, we're going to be working on this Teal Swirl Water Marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my water marble today, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Electrostatic along with Dead Petals, Hydropower, and Bring Me the Teal, which will also be my base color. And once I have that applied, I'm going to be protecting around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. As usual, for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm going to draw out from the center to all 4 sides, and then from the sides back in toward the center before drawing in a spiral. Once I've got the spiral drawn in, I'm going to decide where to dip my nails. I'm going to be dipping either 2 or 3 at a time and aiming for some of the cool swirls. I'm going to clean the excess polish off of the surface, then slowly pull my fingers out, remove the protection, and do the rest of my nails. Once I'm done with all my nails, I'm going to clean up using a Q-tip for any of the larger areas as well as underneath the nail, and then going in closer with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how these turned out. They are reading a bit dark against this background, but I'll include some pictures at the end, of course, and I'll be giving you guys some flashlight time right after we review this year's series. I'm super pleased with how everything turned out, and if you missed any of these, they're linked down in the description. This year we had a very loose theme, and every 2 days sort of went together as a duo or a pair, or in some cases opposites. But we started off with the kind of monochrome snowy paw prints into the rainbow scribble Christmas tree, the sugar plum gradient into the peppermint mocha. Then the gold starburst went with the silver snowflake French tip, the candy cane ribbon into the white poinsettia, the Yule log inspired fire marble into the winter ice mosaic, and finally yesterday's simple water marble into today's more complex one. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this or any of the days, that's up now over on my VOD channel. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you all think of these down in the comments. Let me know what your favorite was over the course of the series. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.